Sqlalchemy select condition. I have a mapper on a table and I want to define a column underscore property which should select true or false whether the entity has some property or not. Is this something I can do? I'm more interested in this part, true if roles underscore table dot c dot is underscore admin or roles underscore table dot c dot id equals 1 else false, which lets me set a value to the column based on the condition.
Your select expression is actually a Python expression. Sqlalchemy.select will see this as since the column object roles underscore table dot c dot is underscore admin will evaluate to true in Boolean context. I don't know from the top of my head how Sqlalchemy will interpret this, but it will surely not work as you intended. You will have to rewrite this expression so that it will correspond to plain SQL using Sqlalchemy.sql.expression.case instead of if ... else ... In your case, however, there might be a much simpler solution. Person and role seem to have an column 1 relation. One person has exactly one role. I assume there is a orm.relationship person.role to get a person's role. Why don't you just add a plain Python property?